Hey, what's going on, everyone? Dev the Michigan here, coming at you with another video. I'm going to be talking about how we are getting ready for another snowstorm. See, all this snow is almost gone because it's been a lot warmer out, but we are getting ready for another snowstorm. About 2 to 5 inches is what was required. What was said that we were supposed to be getting around here. I'm not looking forward to that. But today I think I'm gonna trim my beard because it's itchy underneath the mask. One, two, three. Alright guys, so now some time has passed. It is early in the morning, it's about 5 o'clock, and it has snowed. I just want to make this quick little video for you, show you it snowed. Look at this. Man, the roads, they have about 2 to 4 inches of snow on them, and it's still coming down. Man, it's gonna be a hard drive to work. So with that being said, guys, that's gonna do it for me today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, subscribe, because I do post daily and you'll never miss a video if you subscribe. With that being said, remember, get your foot out the door and explore. I'll see you guys in the next one.